Hi, my name is Paul Antonio, and welcome to the PASCRIBE Scriptorium. I set the PASCRIBE Scriptorium up to help practitioners, calligraphers, anyone interested in handwriting and lettering and calligraphy to gain a deeper understanding of how letterforms work using my fourfold symmetry. The fourfold symmetry is a really sort of holistic approach to writing, teaching you how breathing rhythmically to the structure of the writing of the strokes helps to produce the letters more accurately. It also helps you to fall into a sort of meditative state, helping you to be a little bit more at peace when you're writing. The scriptorium is divided into a series of lectures, classes, and workshops. The lectures normally cover an historical analysis and presentation of a script and the script family, where it sits in history, how long it's been used for, and some of the variants you can see historically as well as in the present day. The lectures are a really wonderful way to understand why a script looks the way it looks and where it comes from, and indeed where it goes to. The classes are generally shorter, 2 to 3 hours, with an hour Q&A, and then of course you have the workshops. Most of the workshops, the more recent workshops, are 14 hours. They cover a Saturday and Sunday class, and they are quite detailed and in-depth. They take a large chunk of time to sort of get through, but they're really wonderful in helping you to consolidate your understanding and your knowledge of the script. Jump in, join me, head over to the scriptorium, jump on one of the free courses, either the Chi Ball, which helps you to balance your energy a little bit when you're writing, or the PASCRIBE tool coordinate system, which teaches you how to hold a tool so that you understand how the angle of the tool produces different kinds of lines in different situations. And don't forget to check the link below for the Calligraphy Masters code, and you have a limited time to redeem that code and get a discount on anything in the PASCRIBE Scriptorium. Thank you.
And what you end up with is that beautiful sense of entasis, or wasting. So I'm not just pressing on the tool, I'm also tilting. This really becomes apparent when you do the letter A. So you would do this, or this, or using this system,